You come home after a long, exhausting day in the city. You drop your keys, you're tired, and you're ready to just collapse. But then, you see it. Those two glowing eyes watching you from the shadows of your living room. You think your cat is just chilling, waiting for a treat. But what if I told you that while you're out navigating the chaos of the world, your cat isn't just chilling. They are living a double life. A life of suppressed instincts, unspent energy, and a silent, indoor struggle that most owners completely miss. Today, we aren't just talking about house cats. We're talking about the secret life of your feline roommate and why your home might be becoming a gilded cage. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you're going to look at your cat and your living room in a way you never have before. The modern apartment illusion. We've all seen the Instagram reels. The aesthetic cat living in a mid-century modern apartment in Brooklyn or a suburban house in Texas. It looks perfect, right? But let's get real. Most of us treat our homes like a human space, and we just happen to let a small tiger live in it. Think about it. Your cat's DNA is 99% identical to the African wildcat. That cat was built for the savannah for stalking, for high-speed chases, for climbing, and for calculating complex movements. Now, place that same biology in a carpeted 700 square foot apartment. Imagine being a professional marathon runner, but being told your daily workout is walking from the sofa to the kitchen to beg for a treat that you didn't actually hunt for. This is the indoor paradox. We love them. We feed them the best premium kibble. We buy them expensive beds they never sleep in, but we often forget to give them a job. If you notice your cat doing zoomies at 2 a.m. or attacking your ankles when you walk by, they aren't crazy. They are hunting you. They have pent-up predatory energy that needs an outlet. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your living room into a hunting ground so you can actually get some sleep tonight. The emotional language of the invisible predator. In the US, we treat our cats like small, furry humans. We want them to snuggle when we are lonely, and we want them to play when we are bored. But cats don't operate on our schedule. Have you ever tried to pet your cat, and they just walk away, or they give you that slow blink? We interpret that as them being aloof or snobby, but that's a human proj. In the wild, breaking eye contact, the slow blink, is a massive sign of trust. It's them saying, I am vulnerable with you, and I trust you not to bite my throat out. When you ignore that, you break the bond. Think about the last time you were stressed. You just wanted to be left alone, right? Your cat feels that tenfold. When they hide under the bed, they aren't being antisocial. They are retreating to their safe zone. If you force them out, you're invading their only sanctuary. If you've ever felt like your cat doesn't love you, drop a comment below. I promise you, they do. They just speak a language you aren't listening to yet. Let's decode it together in the next few minutes. The nutritional and environmental jailbreak. Let's talk about food. In the US, convenience is king. We dump dry kibble in a bowl and call it a day. But biologically, cats get most of their hydration from prey. Dry food is the equivalent of us surviving on protein bars for our entire lives. No wonder so many indoor cats develop urinary issues. But here's the big one, vertical space. If your cat lives on the floor, they are living in 2D, but cats are 3D creatures. If you don't have cat trees or shelves, your cat is effectively missing their high ground. In the wild, the high ground is safety, vantage point, and authority. If you think your cat is just naughty for jumping on the kitchen counter, you're wrong. They aren't naughty. They're just looking for the high ground you didn't provide. Give them a shelf and watch the counter surfing stop. It's that simple. The transformation. Okay, we've identified the problem. Now, here is your master plan to turn your home into a feline paradise. The Hunt-Eat-Groom-Sleep cycle. This is the golden rule of cat biology. Hunt. Spend 15 minutes with a wand toy before feeding. Make them catch the toy. Eat. Serve the meal immediately after the hunt. Groom. They will naturally groom after eating. Sleep. They will finally enter a deep, satisfied sleep. Puzzle feeders. Stop using bowls. Make them work for their food. It triggers their dopamine receptors. The slow blink ritual. Before you go to sleep, sit on the floor and slowly blink at your cat. See what happens. You'll be surprised at how fast they respond. Look, owning an indoor cat is a huge responsibility. It's not just about keeping them safe. It's about giving them a life that satisfies their wild heart. You are the architect of their world. If you found even one piece of this helpful, or if your cat just did one of the things I mentioned, hit that like button. It helps other cat owners find this info and keeps their cats happy too. And if you want to become the ultimate cat parent, subscribe to @NexaraPet. We are building a community here that actually understands the science of our feline friends, not just the memes. I have a question for you. What's the weirdest thing your cat does at 3 a.m.? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll be replying to the funniest ones. Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching. Keep your cats wild at heart.